Hello, I'm going to show you how to change the bands on your Somnomed Avant. It looks like this. It has the blue band and it will come out of the box with most likely the 0 band. If you look on the side of the band, it will have a number and a letter, small, medium, or large, S, M, or L, and then a number, and it goes from -1 all the way up to an 8. Most people start on 0. After 7 days, if on your list where it lists the symptoms, you still haven't achieved those improvements, then I want you to move to that next band. But I never want you to move any further than you absolutely have to go. So how do we change the band? You're going to open it up and get this perpendicular. It's almost like a key, and sometimes it's a little more difficult, but it'll just pop off like that. And the other side, same thing, just pops off. It has to be perpendicular because once you move it horizontal like that, it's locked in. So you have to do perpendicular and knock that off. Then in the front, you want to move this strap over to the white line, and then you just pop that right out. Okay? So then you go into your box, get your next strap, you'll come back, you take where it is white right there, and you're gonna pop it in the front, and then move that to the flat place in the front. So it'll look like this. Then you take the 2 flat surfaces and put them together, and then we're gonna attach one side. Again, it has to be perpendicular in order for it to attach. So you're gonna do like this, pop it on, other side, pop it on, and then close the appliance. And the attachment here is always on the upper. So again, the main thing to remember is it has to be perpendicular here, not horizontal, to get it off. And then on the front, you want to attach it where the white is, and it'll go in a lot easier. One more time, do not change the appliance quicker than every 7 days, and only move to the next band when you need to. Follow the instructions on the titration form, and there is a titration video as well. Have a great day.